This is Mt Amos. Located in the east coast of Tasmania, Mt Amos overlooks one of Australia's most famous views, Wineglass Bay, and today I'm going to climb it. With an elevation of 454 metres, Mt Amos appears unintimidating, yet is still considered a difficult hike, and for good reason. Why? You're climbing over smooth granite slabs with minimal footholds, moderate exposure and a long fall below. The trail is steep, rocky and slippery if wet, so making sure you're physically fit and equipped with the right gear is imperative. But of course, all being worth it when reaching the summit, overlooking that famous shot of Wineglass Bay and crystal blue water. After the hike, we descend down the mountain to pick up our packs and walk a further 6 kilometres and a further 230 metres in elevation to get onto the bay where we camp for the night. Something about sleeping under the stars with waves putting you to sleep that makes the journey worth it. So keep watching because you don't want to miss out on this one.
Yeah, same. Good job. Doing really well. Good job.
This is the summit of Mt Amos. We made it. It was the most, I'm not going to say most challenging walk I've done, but it definitely has its different unique challenges. But it is so worth it. But we need to get down safely, get snacks, and then hike out over here. Get our packs and set up camp for the night.
Wineglass Bay.
Oh, that scared the absolute shit out of me. Look at this.
just want to push that rock.
How's that going? What did you just pick up?
I think it was a spotted she-oak skink, but it was very small. I think he was injured because he was like not getting off the track very quick. But
How do you know it wasn't poisonous?
because there's only 2 species of poisonous lizard in the world, and neither of them live here. A dragon and one is a Gila monster. I think we have the Gila monster in Oz, maybe. Definitely don't have Komodos.
Don't have Komodos, no.
We have the next biggest lizard, the Parenti monitor, I think it's called. So he's the second biggest. The
Yep.
Komodo's the biggest, but he's not poisonous.
Yeah,
So you can pick up any lizard you see.
in Tasmania.
Just about anywhere in the world.
Don't pick up a Komodo dragon.
Make sure it's got legs, because if it's not a lizard, then you might be fucked.
Make sure it's got legs. Just heading back, doing the last legs of the hike to get back to the car. We're gonna strap on our bags and start the hike out to Wineglass Bay, where there's a camping area, a free camping area, and that's where we're gonna park in for the night and watch the sunset. Excited. We may actually not make it to the campsite before sunset, so we've got the head torches, we're prepared, and see you at the car. Don't, after the center of gravity's off. Let's do it. We just pulled up just for a bit of a spell. Got 20 minutes to the lookout and then another hour onto the beach. And we're just about to lose last light. So I probably won't film any more between here and then. But I'll see you when we're setting up on the beach.
And to Wineglass Bay.
We've just set up the tent at camp and now we've got to cook some dinner. This is dinner. Oh my god, that scared the absolute shit out of me. Look at it. Bruv. Hello, how are you? Hey. They're very people oriented, the ones around here. Got some fuzzy going. First time we've both sat down all day. Yeah. Buggered. That was a bit of a boo-boo. We didn't put enough water in. So they ended up both being like crunchy. So take 2. Daniel poked a hole in his. So it started leaking. So he's eating outside. I got the nasi goreng one and it is so good. So tired, and the sound of the waves is making me so sleepy, and I'm so excited to hit the hay. Good morning. That is the view I woke up to. Daniel running around like a madman. The moon rose in between the mountains and he was like, ding! I'm up!
The camera's set up like a kilometre up the beach there.
Oh, good bloody morning, holy shit. It's like a dream.
Mockers this morning. When I got up this morning, the light was like just enough first bit of beach, and I was
Breakfast of champions.
brownie. Have you ever cooked a meal on a whale bone before? Probably not.
Yeah, there's heaps of whale bones around here, like some rib cages, and like that's obviously some sort of spine. You look handsome this morning. Shot of what we just ate for breakfast. Chocolate brownie soup. Just spent the last half an hour in a shit fight with this sleeping bag. If anyone can tell me any hacks on re-rolling a hiking sleeping bag, help a sister out, because that was treacherous. These guys have found, looks like there's an apple core out there. They're fighting over it. Hello! What are you chewing on? What are you chewing on? Hey? This is a camera, it's not food. Out of it.
I feel so lucky to call this part of the world my home. Being able to spend days like this hiking and waking up in beautiful places is something I'll genuinely never take for granted. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more Tasmanian travel content, please subscribe and like this video because it really helps out my channel.